FPVs flying indoors. Look at this. Alright. Wow, look at that, guys. Do not try this at home. Woohoo! FPV. Let's go ahead and turn off the light. Let's see. Oh! Is this a Mavic? Look, I'm never touching the controller. Wow! Look. Wow! Precision. Look at that. Precision hover. Wow! See that, guys? Here's a light. Low. Wow! Is this a Mavic? Look at that! Wow! I'm not even using the controller, guys. Look at this. Wow! Look at that. Whoa! Can your drone do that? Look at that precision. Wow! I'm not using a controller. You can see it. Look at that. Wow. Precision, guys. Precision hover. Look at that. Wow. Alright, it's gonna land. Wow. Wow, guys.